Afrinvest West Africa PLC has unveiled its new identity to commemorate its more than 2.5 decades of operations. The rebranding exercise aligns with its global appeal and determination to serve wider markets in its new phase of operation. The investment and research company also introduced Optimus by Afrinvest at the 2022 banking sector report during the event. Mr. Ike Chioke, the group Managing Director of Afrinvest West Africa PLC, explains that since the publication of the 2021 Nigerian banking sector report, the entire business community had taken the document seriously. According to him, the increasingly gloomy projections have been the offshoots of mounting downside risks for the inhabiting a world economy yet to fully shrug off the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Company that went from a single sector to two companies because Afrinvest then Nigeria became what is now a broker-dealer, Afrinvest Securities Limited, and we have now grown in leaps and bounds. Today I'm delighted to say that we have 7 operating companies. There's Afrinvest West Africa at the top, and there's securities, asset management, trustees, capital, our Asian house, Andromeda, our fintech business, consulting, our research has morphed into a consultancy, and more to come. So that shows some progress.
We have a systemic issue that we must have the courage to change. And until we do that, we will probably always be bedeviled with the issue of having a process that delivers to us the right options for us to choose the kind of leadership that we need for the change that is required. You need a leadership that has enough empathy for the citizens of the nation, that has a heart and the commitment, the diligence and the dedication to make hard calls. Leadership isn't about convenient decisions. It's not about convenient calls. It's not about what makes you popular. It's about what needs to be done.
In terms of governance, in terms of the macroeconomic indices, from inflation to exchange rate pressures, and all the challenges that, despite which the banks have shown very positive performance. So across all metrics, you'll find that generally they perform very well. They have increased and they've grown their balance sheets as represented by their total assets and total liabilities. They've also expanded their equity because they've been profitable, and those profits have, dovetailed into the balance sheet as well. And then also you'll find that in terms of the metrics that define how well they perform, in terms of non-performing loans, you find that that ratio is also coming down, and is now well below the regulatory threshold of 5% as set by the Central Bank of Nigeria.